Hello my acquaintances. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do this cunty Nosferatu look. So if you want to know how to do this at home, keep on watching. Disclaimer, I'm already tipsy, so I think this video will be funnier if I just keep drinking. Epic style. First things first, I'm really, I need to be bald. But I don't have a bald cap. So we're just gonna slick as much of my hair back as possible into a wig cap. And also my clothes. I have this very close, this jacket here. So we're going with this. I found this out of the trash, so don't ask me where it's from because I don't know. And this is just a ribbed turtleneck, and it's from Forever 21. Dollywood. And then you can wear black slacks. I'm not trying to change my pants for this video. Now my next concern is getting my contacts in, which this is already an issue. But also my motor skills have decreased, and I can't imagine what has done that. I'm gonna have to lock in to put those in, but they are the candy, I believe they're called Sweetie Candy Red. Honestly, getting the contacts in was not that difficult. I think getting them out is a much bigger concern, but that's a problem for later. The next cunty thing about Nosferatu is his ears, which I don't know where my latex ears went that I bought. I think they're purple right now anyways, because I think the last time I wore them was for Taronda. So I do have these green ones that I made for Peridot, and I don't think I'm going to cosplay for Steven Universe ever again. So I'm going to go ahead and paint these and just let them dry while we do the rest of the makeup here. Priming with this. This is the Lineage Water Bank Moisture Cream, and this is also probably expired, and I got it for free with my birthday, what is that, Sephora. You get some free stuff every year. You go there on your birthday, and they give you something free. Uh-oh.
No, probably not.
I should use the brush for this. I forgot. This is gonna be stuck under my nail for days to come. And it's way too much also. I'm autistic!
Maybe she does know more.
I'm autistic. With being autistic, but also girl, is that I hate the feeling, but I love the doing of it. Like, I hate moisturizer, but I love moisturizing. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Let's drink to that. My foundation with white, because he's not stark white. At the movies in black and white, and I think he's just very pale, which is basically my complexion here, but NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop in the shade Light Porcelain. She's got porcelain skin, of course she's a 10, and now she's even got her own song. But moving on, she's got the cutest laugh I ever heard, and we can be on the phone for 3 hours. not say words better. Wait for the creme. Have you guys ever seen Inglourious Bastards? I should be doing concealer first regardless. Let's do concealer first. Why would I need concealer? It's Nosferatu. I'm gonna do my pimples here though. Let's see what we've got. I've got my mole. And I got some redness.
Oh, shit.
So let's get rid of that. This is almost empty. Do I have another one? I'm gonna just put this. Get a good swig of it. And put that. Okay. Like on all the spots. Okay. And then we're gonna do some eyeshadow. I don't want to promote this palette. I don't like these guys who made it. It was a big FOMO thing at the time. But this man's a little devious, so I feel like he would use it. And I'm just gonna go in with this gray sparkly shade on my eyelid. Actually, I'm gonna mix this purple shade with the black because his eyes are not like, they're like, okay, it just looks black, but we're gonna go with it.
Pretty sure this is just
I kind of look like Jane from Twilight right now. So let's do some eyebrows and get this looking more like the man himself. Eyebrow. Very strong, very brow eyebrow here. I'm using this little mirror. So, editing man, sorry. Very sharp is what we're
Yeah,
doing.
it's like a scroll thing. Might just be shotguns.
I feel like that looks good. Whoa, whoa, my eye, whoa, 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 whoa.
Oh.
Um,
You can replay 8 day then. It's just a one timer.
I'm just going to just take this one and blend that front a little bit. Blend that front a little bit. Twins, not sisters. Cousins, not siblings. I feel like a dark lip is more recognizable, but I feel like he has quite the pink lip going. Nudist peach, which I will use.
Yeah.
I'm not going to show you how I made these things because it's not a safe method to do. And I made it up when I was very young. And I do have a tutorial on it that is 10 years old. So I will link in the description if you want to use this method. But I can't in good faith tell you to do it. I know it's a cardinal sin to not do lashes, but I really don't fucking feel like putting on lashes right now. So I put on about 8 layers of this, and I still feel like it's pretty cunty. Nosferatu does not have eyelashes, so we're meeting in the middle ground. Still look green as fuck. Ah. Am I him?
Yep.
Be honest. Don't be honest, just say I'm him. Okay. Oh, I didn't even put the... Okay, hold on. Okay, so this is a finished look. And I hope you like this video. Oh. And if you didn't like the video, that's okay. But I had a lot of fun, and I think it turned out really cool and epic. So you know the bye, subscribe, see you later, all you haters. I just had to update because I got my contacts out with ease, with these on still. And I will tell you the technique if you're still watching this. Like this, 2 middle fingers. I don't know if it would work with prescription contacts, because my prescription lenses are so thick, they're like the Smiling Friends Allen contact. But with those thin colored lenses, it worked quite well.